In this video, we are going to talk about something really cool. In fact, I would go as far as saying that this is one of the most exciting things in the world of AI right now. Now, this might sound like an exciting but niche product release for a tech company, but it actually represents something much bigger. Let me explain. The automotive industry has been busy working on something really big, a fully self-driving car platform that they're calling Level 5 Autonomy. Level 5 is the next step, and it's much harder to achieve. Something that's been keeping me up at night, not because it's particularly stressful, but because I just can't stop thinking about how amazing it is. It combines two high-performance CPUs with 144 cores and 36 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory on a single die using TSMC for nanometer process technology. It provides a unified interface for accessing hardware resources, processing data streams, and deploying models. It also supports various hardware platforms and interfaces so that developers don't have to worry about the underlying complexity. And it offers a suite of APIs, applications, and programming interfaces that enable developers to focus on higher-level tasks rather than low-level details. It means that the barriers to entry for new players are getting lower and the pace of change is getting faster. It means that the future is bright for anyone who wants to be part of it. It also integrates NVIDIA's third generation, Tensor cores, and a new multi-instancing system that enables massive throughput for deep neural networks. NVIDIA has a huge head start and a huge ecosystem and a huge momentum. Not even to mention their latest advancements in AI infrastructure with the H100 superchip and the new NVLink interconnect that connects multiple H100s into a single system. Waymo is one of the most advanced self-driving car companies in the world. That's why many traditional automakers are partnering with software-driven mobility providers to tap into their expertise and experience. For example, Volkswagen is investing in Argo AI, which is a leading self-driving car company founded by Ford and Google. BMW is partnering with Mobileye, which is an Israeli chipmaker that specializes in vision-based driver assistance systems. Don't just sit there and watch. Go out there and make things happen. Invest in NVIDIA stock. Buy an EV. Ride a robo-taxi. Drive a Tesla. Do something. Anything to be part of this exciting future. The future is yours to shape. Don't miss out on it. Mercedes-Benz is investing in Nokia here, which is a Finnish mapping and location technology company. They VA logged millions of miles on public roads and highways with their driverless cars, and they about to launch a commercial robo-taxi service in San Francisco without any human intervention. They know that they undo it alone, and they need to collaborate with the best in the game to stay relevant and competitive. Another example is Cruise, which is a subsidiary of General Motors. You are now officially a member of the 1% who actually watch till the end. But more importantly, you should be excited. Very excited. This is a big deal, and it could change the way we live, work, and play. You might not see it yet, but trust me, you will. So keep an eye on NVIDIA and the automotive industry and prepare for the future. You won't regret it. Cruise is another leading self-driving car company that has received billions of dollars in investments from major automakers and tech giants. Cruise recently went public through a SPAC merger and is now worth billions of dollars. No other company comes close to matching NVIDIA's AI infrastructure, which is why NVIDIA stock is still the best investment for anyone who wants to bet on the AI revolution. The global autonomous vehicle market is expected to grow from $68.4 billion in 2023 to $199.9 billion by 2030, with a compound annual growth rate of 17.3%, according to Grand View Research. This is driven by factors such as increasing demand for ride-sharing services, growing need for safer and more efficient transportation systems, and technological advancements in areas such as machine learning and sensor technology. The Grace CPU superchip is the brain of the vehicle. They are the dominant player in the automotive AI market with a 63.4% share as of 2023, and they're only getting bigger and stronger with these new announcements. This is a big deal because it is still very much an open question whether NVIDIA will be able to maintain its dominance as the AI race heats up. There are a lot of competitors out there who are nipping at their heels and trying to catch up. These new members are Continental, Hella, Hyundai, Mitsubishi, Electric, and Takata. They represent some of the top suppliers and manufacturers in the automotive industry. The automotive industry is on the verge of a major disruption. Traditional automakers are facing stiff competition from new entrants. who are leveraging the power of software and AI to create innovative mobility solutions. For example, Tesla is not a traditional automaker. They are a data-driven tech company that uses AI to improve their vehicles' performance and features over time. Tesla is the biggest EV maker in the world and also the biggest U.S. automaker by market value. They're also the most valuable U.S. automaker by market cap. They're also the most valuable U.S. automaker by revenue. They're also the most profitable U.S. automaker by net income margin. And they're also the fastest growing U.S. automaker by compound annual growth rate. And they're all excited to harness the power of AI to transform the future of mobility. It's what enables the vehicle to learn from data, improve over time, and adapt to different situations. And I think you will feel the same way once you hear what it is. So without further ado, let's dive in. It's about opening up a whole new world of possibilities. The Drive Orin, which is designed for central computing and autonomous vehicles. The Drive M, which is designed for vision cameras and lidar. And the Drive V, which is designed for cockpit computing. These new socks are the eyes, ears, and mouth of the vehicle. Capture what's happening around the vehicle, understand what's happening, and respond accordingly. Imagine a world where anyone can summon a taxi with a button or a voice command and have it pick them up from their doorstep, drive them to their destination safely and comfortably, then drop them off and go back to the pool. A world where you do not need to own a car or worry about parking or insurance or maintenance. A world where your car can drive you to work while you sleep or work, or watch a movie or do whatever you want. A world where cars are no longer a luxury but a necessity, or a toy but a tool. NVIDIA recently announced the launch of their new DRIVE Iconic platform. Level 5 autonomy means that the vehicle can handle all driving tasks in all situations, anywhere and anytime, safely and reliably. It doesn't require human intervention or monitoring. It can navigate city streets, highways, rural roads, construction zones, and more. It can handle bad weather, traffic, pedestrians, cyclists, animals, and anything else that might get in its way. But how do we get there? Well, NVIDIA thinks their new Drive Conic platform is the answer. What is that? Essentially, it's a complete system for building Level 5 autonomous vehicles based on NVIDIA's advanced hardware and software technology. It includes a new in-house designed SoC, a system on a chip that runs all the functions of the vehicle, as well as the software stack that enables the vehicle to perceive its environment, plan its actions, and execute them safely. Basically, a car that can drive itself in every possible scenario. That's the holy grail of self-driving cars. So why is this such a big deal? Because it's not just about convenience or safety. That's the kind of world we're heading towards with Level 5 autonomy. The Drive Conic platform is powered by NVIDIA's newest Grace CPU superchip, which is a marvel of modern engineering. The Drive Conic platform also includes the Drive OS software stack, which is a set of tools and libraries that enable developers to build applications for autonomous vehicles. But wait, there's more. NVIDIA also announced 3 new custom socks based on the Drive Conic platform tailored for different aspects of autonomous vehicles. And if that wasn't enough, NVIDIA also unveiled 5 new partners that have joined the NVIDIA In-Vehicle AI Alliance, bringing the total number of members to more than 200. What does this mean for us? It means that we are entering a new era of innovation and competition in the automotive industry. This is a big deal because it involves a lot of money. Guess who's leading the pack? NVIDIA, of course. Now here's the thing. The AI race isn't just about speed. It's also about scale and scope. But anyway, let's get back to the topic at hand. Another example is Waymo, which is a subsidiary of Alphabet, Google's parent company. These are just 2 examples of how the automotive industry is changing and how traditional automakers need to adapt or get left behind. These are just a few examples of how traditional automakers are embracing the power of software and AI to transform the future of mobility. So what should you make of all this? Well, first of all, congratulations on making it to this point in the video. And now it's time for you to take action. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.